Have you watched so many videos and you still haven't gotten a foreign phone number for free? Well, I will show you how to get any foreign phone number, and I have a good news somewhere in this video that involves getting free credit. So don't miss any part of this video if you want to get yours. With virtual phone numbers, you can connect with customers from anywhere in the world, and if you're a freelancer, you find it super helpful when it comes to verification on platforms like PayPal, WhatsApp, Telegram, and a lot more. With Dingtone, you can create accounts from anywhere in the world and get a virtual phone number. But don't rush. Remember, I have a good news. If you have watched the video to this point, it shows you are enjoying it, and I would appreciate it if you could subscribe, as it motivates me to create more value-added content. The Dingtone mobile app is available for download on both Android and iOS. The Android version of Dingtone has introduced the Do Not Disturb feature, allowing you to avoid disruption during your rest period. One thing I love about Dingtone is the fact that you can create a virtual phone number in US, UK, and more than 50 plus countries. It's important to note that US phone numbers are cost effective compared to other countries, and international calling covers a wide range of countries. Thanks to Dingtone for sponsoring today's video and agreeing to give 50 fans from my community 20 Dingtone credits. In order to get yours, use the link in my description below to download the app and sign up. Once you try creating an account for the first time, you'll be asked to input a phone number. Please select your current country and input your phone number, and after verification, you'll be asked to enter your name. Now give Dingtone notification access and contact permission access, and now you should see your dashboard. When creating an account for the first time, you'll be given free 5 credits, which you can find by going to more, and if you use the link as mentioned earlier, you should have more credits. To get a phone number of any country of your choice, head over to Connect and tap on Get Your First Phone Number. Now select a country. If you tap on Nearby Area Code, you will find numbers to select from, and if you select a random number will be assigned to you. To get virtual phone numbers, you can also subscribe to a yearly or monthly plan, and lastly, you can also use Dingtone credits to purchase numbers, which is only available for Android. Also note that Dingtone credits are useful for making calls and sending text messages. Now you can use your virtual phone number for any verification and also make calls with customers in any country. That's it on how to get a virtual phone number in any country using Dingtone. In addition, Dingtone announced it's supporting Super Eagles for the AFCON 2023, which is starting from January 13 to February 11, 2024. If you wish to learn more about amazing offers from Dingtone during this period, kindly follow them on Twitter at Dingtone. If you found it helpful, kindly give this video a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.